handsome fiend. There's a very handsome fiend. Hey y'all, November 12th, make this quick. I don't want to sound like no conspiracy theorist or anything, but remember I was telling y'all I was going to have a talk with this guy from University of Texas. Well, I set up the live stream several days ago. Went into my little studio and did mic check. Everything was fine at 3:30 yesterday afternoon, and then at 4:25, when I went into the studio, magically, my microphone won't work. That's odd. No matter what I did, I could not get that sumbitch going. So, I'm thinking they don't love this guy either. Apparently, they don't want us having a talk. Oh, they got the sky mucked up this morning so bad. But anyhow, yeah, my microphone is not working though. Everything's on, everything's fine, and it still won't work this morning. So I didn't get to have to talk, and I don't know if I'll be live streaming because I don't think y'all want to watch a silent live stream. But anyhow, so. But I'm just a crazy conspiracy theorist. Nothing like that's ever happened to anybody we know, like our friend Richie, or several others who actually speak the truth. So, if I can't get it working, there will be no live stream. Otherwise, I will probably be doing a live stream, but not looking good. So, yeah, hope y'all have a good day. It's not good here in Wyoming. Let me know in the comments if you are getting the shit sprayed out of you today. I feel a little crazy here. Because they are hammering it. I mean, partly sunny, according to climate change. Alright, love y'all. Later. I want to say good morning, Finn. It ain't a good morning, is it, Finn? November 12th, 9 in the morning. It was clear this morning till right before sunrise. Pathetic. Yeah, totally natural. Oh yeah, this is partly sunny, according to NOAA, the criminals at NOAA. Oh, shit pisses me off.